Hello! We're going to be cooking up some steak because it's Friday night, so steak night. I'm going to use some cast iron griddle, and this is from the Ronnie Sunshines Classic Camping kit. I've had this for years. It's brilliant, absolutely love it. So you've got the skillet and the Dutch oven. There's the lid for the Dutch oven. It's got the pot stand, which is all in the kit. I'll show you that later now, but that's the pot stand. And then you've got the lid lifter, so you can just, because this cast iron gets hot. But so what we're going to use this evening to cook the steak is the griddle pan. So it's plain on one side, but you get the griddle on this side. Great bit of kit. If you've never used cast iron at all before, what you need to do is preheat it slowly first. It's just starting to get warm on that side, so I'll flip it around. You don't want to put cast iron straight on to the fire, because basically what you'll do is warp it. You'll actually bend it, and once it's the same with all the pieces of cast iron. You have to look after it, and you have to treat it right. So it's like preheating it slowly. Get it up to temperature. Once it's up to like sort of room temperature, where to your hand it doesn't feel cold, it's just nice, and then it's sort of body temperature, then you can start to heat it up and carry on that way. But it's like with all parts, the Dutch oven will be exactly the same. You need to heat them up together if you can. The lid and the pot at the same time, and then it'll be a good fit. You don't want to put the cold lid on the hot pot, because you'll just get that heat transference and it could warp the lid. So yeah, slow and steady wins the day. That's what you want to do. And with the fire, it's best. What I'm going to do, I've got the fire going now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more wood on, build it up a little bit, then I'm going to spread some of it out that way. So I've got like a lung fire, and then I'll have a hot part and a cool part, and that's the only way you can control your heat off the fire. Yeah, so I'll start all that and I'll come back to you. We're cooking now, and if you remember the jet boiled utensil, yeah, really good. Let's get the steak. What you couldn't see just off camera was Joe sitting with a
Like Oliver.
with a plate ready for the food. Yeah, the mushrooms and right over. Unfortunately,
You can't really overdo it.
I've put a little bit of seasoning on the tip so.
It was a good idea grabbing that beef smell.
Yeah, it was, yeah.
You're not going back to bed. Come on, you do that. Come on, Lester.
And a bit more seasoning in mine. Yeah, like the seasoning. Huh? Yeah, I'll put the kettle on. Get some more coals underneath that part. That's it. You ready for this?
But I am very ready for that. Very ready for that. Wow. Oh,
Yeah.
so much, baby.
Oh, thing with the on the cob over the stick.
Oh, wow, that smells good, Ronnie.
And you can be the guinea pig and tell me if it needs any more.
Thank you.
Alright?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good, good.
Oh.
Got to retrieve these corn on the cob out of here now.
Oh.
Where does it? So.
Like mushrooms.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Gone on the cob. Oh.
There's butter in it.
I'll get it. Hang on. Got my spatula. Whoa. Okay. And